Most men think they know what attracts women: looks, money, status. And while those things can matter, they're not the whole story. Because attraction isn't just something women choose consciously. A lot of attraction happens automatically, psychologically, emotionally, sometimes without even realizing it. So why do some men instantly grab attention while others get overlooked? The answer is more complicated than most people think, because attraction is rarely about one thing. It's about how someone makes you feel. Think about confidence, not arrogance, not showing off, real confidence. When someone is comfortable with themselves, people notice, because confidence signals security, and security is attractive. Now compare that to someone constantly seeking approval, constantly trying to impress, constantly needing validation. Ironically, the harder someone tries to be attractive, the less attractive they often become. Another thing many people misunderstand is mystery. Humans are naturally curious. We pay attention to things we haven't fully figured out yet. That's why unpredictability can sometimes feel exciting, not because it's healthy, but because uncertainty creates emotional intensity. And many people confuse intensity with attraction. Now let's talk about something social media rarely mentions. Women don't just evaluate a man by what he says. They pay attention to how he behaves, how he treats people, how he handles pressure, how he responds to rejection, how he carries himself when nobody is watching. Because behavior reveals character, and character matters more than most people admit. Here's another psychological truth. People are attracted to people who seem to have a purpose, someone who has goals, direction, ambition, something meaningful they're working toward. Not because success is attractive by itself, but because purpose creates energy, and energy is magnetic. Now, obviously, every woman is different. There is no universal formula, no secret trick, no magic line, but there are patterns. Most healthy attraction grows when someone feels emotionally safe, while still being emotionally interested. Too much predictability can feel boring. Too much unpredictability can feel stressful. The sweet spot is confidence with consistency, strength with kindness, independence with emotional availability. That's where real attraction often grows. And here's something many young people don't realize. The strongest attraction usually isn't built in a single moment. It's built through repeated experiences. Trust, respect, comfort, connection. The internet often teaches people to chase attention, but attention and attraction aren't the same thing. Anyone can get attention. Very few people create genuine connection. And genuine connection lasts much longer. So if you're trying to understand what attracts women, stop asking, "What can I do to impress someone?" Start asking, "What kind of person am I becoming?" Because confidence can be faked, status can disappear, looks change, but character has a way of showing itself over time. And in the end, the people who are most attractive aren't usually the loudest, or the richest, or the most popular. They're the people who know who they are, know where they're going, and make others feel respected, understood, and safe around them. Because attraction may start with curiosity, but lasting attraction grows through connection. And that's the part most people overlook.